In this video, we're going to talk about the raw data property in the list control and the significance of this property and when you might use it. So you can see that we have a list control over here with it's a very trivial control. It has 3 rows and we have 2 columns, one that says size, which is a point size, and then a font over here that references this value to determine the font size. So you can see that the first row is 10 points, that's 20 points, and that's 15 points. So if we go look here at our list control, we can see that the list is based on a simple static data source. So there's name and size. So there's Fred is 10, Harry is 20, and Lenny is 15. And then when we've gone to fields, we've specified that name is using raw data as opposed to a label, and that size is also using raw data. Now the difference between, say, raw data and label is that anything that's in a label is automatically enclosed in a span, but in this case we have chosen raw data, which means that in the template it's necessary to specify the full HTML definition of each item in the list. So if we look here at name, we can see that our template for name is a span where we've said font dash size equals, and now we've gone ahead here and selected the placeholder for the size field. But because size is just raw data, the size at runtime is not going to have is not going to be enclosed in a span. And then here name is just raw data, so it's going to just be the actual name itself, not name enclosed inside a span. So in effect, by using raw data, we've taken on the responsibility of generating the correct HTML, and the placeholders here are the actual raw value of the placeholders in the data source. So we go ahead now and we run it, and we can see that it looks okay. Now if we were to go back to our list properties and change the control type of size from raw data to, say, label, then we would get a completely messed up list control here, because if we go and look inside the generated HTML, we'll see that let's just go here and click on that control over there and then scroll down and then open up the span. You can see there that the font size now is no longer correctly specified, because the size element was enclosed inside a span, which is not what we wanted. So raw data is used when you want to get the actual underlying value in the data source, and you want to take control over generating some aspect of the HTML in the list yourself. Thanks very much for watching.